Hi everyone, my name's Anne-Marie. Welcome to this card making project. In this project we're going to use the Delicate Engravings card topper kit from Griffin to make a gorgeous card. Everything I do use I always put in a detailed list on my blog, so please be sure to check there. If you've ever got anything to say or you want to reply to a question, etc., please ask on my blog or Facebook, because I can't reply on YouTube because there's a glitch on my account. Feel free to share any of my projects. I really hope that you do enjoy them enough to be able to share them. Please give me the thumbs up. Okay, so that's my housekeeping out of the way. Let's craft, because that's why we're here. The Delicate Engravings card making topper kit is just so beautiful. If anybody's ever had the Perfect Paintings kit, you will love the Delicate Engravings card making topper kit, because it's along the same lines, but it's got toppers in there for you to be able to create the most gorgeous projects. Don't forget, the card making toppers, etc., can be used for scrapbooking, so don't let your imagination stop with just card making. I do mostly card making because of time, basically, and the scrapbooking layouts that I do, they have to be what I think are perfect to show you. So and everything just takes time, so that's why I tend to go for more card projects. But maybe in the future we shall do some more scrapbooking. So I've taken a 7x5" card, and I've just used my bone folder to make sure we've got a good sharp score along the edge. Cards are not included in the topper kit, so you know you're able to use any of your own that you've got from your own stock. Now we're going to do the inside first, because obviously this is the bit that you all enjoy, and I know how much it gives you inspiration to go on and do, you know, your own cards and make your insides as beautiful as the outside. So I've taken a piece of ivory cardstock, and this is just general ivory cardstock. I've tinted it around the edge with a pink ink pad, and I've got flat double-sided tape on the back. So I'm just peeling the tape away, and I'm going to position that inside my card like so. And you'll notice I'm using my card landscape, so we're going to make a landscape card. So that's the first layer on my card. Now in the actual Delicate Engravings kit, where you get lots of toppers and lots of flowers and sentiments. Now you know me, I'm quite naughty, and well, it's not being naughty. I like to be versatile with my things that I get. So what I've done is I've split one of the sentiments, and in the kit you get the sentiments that are together with 3D foam. I've taken the 3D foam away from the base of the happy birthday, and I've peeled the top happy birthday off. I've put everything through my Xyron. These flowers are from the collection as well, and I've simply split one of the actual bouquet flowers that's included, the 3D stickers that's there. I've split them, and I've taken it all through the Xyron so that we can make our insert nice and pretty. And I'm going to simply add the base of the sentiment in the centre, and then the circle that was on 3D foam, because you can see where it's worn a little bit, where the patches were of the foam. I'm going to put that over the top, so in theory that sentiment is now flat like that, and then the flowers that I've trimmed from the flower stickers that are included, I'm going to simply add around the circle sentiment. So I'm just going to add the tulip at the base like so. There we go. And that is our insert finished. We've got enough room for our to and our from. Very pretty, and it will go perfectly with the outside of the card. Obviously you can position the flowers where you prefer them, but I think they look great like that. So now we can turn our attention to the front, and I'm going to use my bone folder again just to make sure we've still got that nice sharp crease. And the base layer is from the Delicate Engraving topper kit, and I've trimmed it slightly because it was 7 by 5 inches, or for my friends across the pond it was 5 by 7 inches, and I've just trimmed it slightly so that I get that outer edge of the base card showing. I've put double-sided tape on the back of it, and so I can just position that on the front of my card, like so. The next layer is again from the kit, and it's just the prettiest of engravings. It's on an olive background with gold engraving, and it's just gorgeous, and it has what looks like a light hanging in the centre, and it just reminds me of being in the woods with the lights hanging from the trees and the fireflies that would be attracted to the light. I think that is so pretty, and I know you're all going to scream at me because we're going to cover it up. So, you know, now you see it, now you don't. Unfortunately, that's what happens with layering. Maybe we'll use it again in another project further down the line and not cover it up. But anyway, we want the gold foil around the edge for the effect. So I'm just positioning that through the centre of my card. I have flat tape on the back of it. Next, what I've done is, out of the kit, I've taken one of the sentiments that's on the 3D foam, and I've added some more 3D foam through the centre. Now I've actually used a craft knife to lightly cut the sticker background away because I wanted to keep the extra edges sticky, because we're going to do something else with those. But I just wanted to show you that you don't have to use them as flat stickers. You can actually add more 3D foam to them and make them even more raised. Now I'm also using 2 of the gold ironwork scrolls that are in the kit, and I'm simply going to peel the back of them away because these are stickers as well. So Anna's made it nice and easy, and I'm just going to stick part of the section of the sticker to the underneath of the sentiment like that, because I like to try and get them kind of straight. There we go. And that's why we've left part of the back of it with no foam and part of it with the flat sticker. So that's not quite right. They will peel off and peel on again, and then we're going to do exactly the same to the top section with the second one. Now I know this is a little bit not like watching paint dry, but fiddly, shall we say. But I think these are the tips that can turn your card making from a good card into a great card. So there we go. That's right, like that. So now we've added our 2 gold ironwork stickers, and we can position this through the centre of our card. There we go, like so. Next, I've taken some of the flowers that are in the actual engravings kit, and these are stickers, so all you have to do is peel the back of them away. They've got good stick on them, so you shouldn't need any extra glue. If you do need extra glue, maybe you live somewhere that's quite humid, or maybe you've not used them for a while and your stick's gone from the back of your stickers. It doesn't hurt, you can always add a little bit of glue, it doesn't matter. So I can add my flowers to the front of the card like that, slip that section under, there we go, and then I've got a second flower for the other side, again a sticker so I can peel the back away, and I'm going to add that just slightly there. That's about right, I think. There. I want the base stuck and I want that bit stuck to there, so it gives it a little bit of shape. If you ever stick your stickers down and you've got little bits over the edge and you think, you know what, that's not going to fit in my envelope, just give them a little trim, doesn't matter, because you want your card to stand up like that. So it doesn't hurt. You've always got a little bit of leeway with your envelopes. So we're going to finish the card off with a bow, and I'm going to place my bow just underneath the sentiment like that. And that is such a pretty card. And the work's been done for you from the layers from the engraving kit. They live up to the name, Delicate Engraving Kit. They're just so beautiful. We've got the insert that matches perfectly, stand up nicely, will go in a normal envelope because we haven't got a lot of height from it, and it's just such a pretty card. And a great kit with the card making toppers, something a little bit different that will work across the board with all your Anna products, so you can always mix and match. I do hope you've enjoyed this project. I hope it's given you some ideas, because that's, for me, is what it's all about, just giving you ideas and inspiration, and then setting you off for you to fly at the nest, as it were, to open your wings and fly, and to create something yourself and think, oh well, Anne-Marie did it like this, I can do it like that, and you know, that's it, that's inspiration. So I do hope you've enjoyed watching, and I want to say thank you for watching, and I shall see you next time.